Hello students, our next topic is consider the FA that accepts the binary number is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Now it is similar one, congruent to 1 modulo 7. So now look, 7 nothing but what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct or not? Total 7 states are there. Now transition on 0 comma 1, like simply q0 it is initial state, q1, q2, q3, q4, q5, q6. Now 1 is a final state. Here 1 is a final state. You can see 1 is a final state. So simply what should I write? q0, q1, q2, q3, q4, q5, q6. Then again q0, q1, q2, q3, q4, q5, q6. Yes, this we got. Now you can check is there any states are equal. So I have to start from here. q0, q1 is there anywhere? q0, q1 no. q2, q3 is there? q2, q3. Do you have q2, q3? No. q4, q5. q4, q5 no. q6, q0 no. q1, q2 no. So no state is same, correct or not? Then no state is same, nothing but what? No equal states here, definitely now. So number of states in minimal FA and FA equal to how many? 7 states. There is no way to minimize here because nowhere two states are equal. You can understand here. See, so equality nothing but and a state and symbol they has to go to same number of states here. Here no two states are going to be same state. That is the reason. So now minimum number of states required to construct this thing what? 7 only. No changes. I hope you are getting now. Are you getting my point? Please do note down all of you. Thank you all of you.